So today we are going to learn that how we can do our PowerPoint, means how we can install and how we can configure the PowerPoint in our phone. Okay, so here first what we have to do, here we have to open the Play Store. So Play Store app, with this Play Store app we all are very accustomed. This is the Play Store app. I'm going to open it, and after opening the Play Store app, here first we have to download the Microsoft PowerPoint. So search it accordingly, MS PowerPoint, and yes, this one. Now just download this app which is showing this icon, and just install it. In generally Microsoft's apps are actually, it's big, it's not very small in memory. So accordingly you can just wait, or you can just keep your phone and device cleaned so that you can easily install it. Okay, so it is installed. After installing, I am just going to open my PowerPoint app. So it will take a while to just configure with your phone, because in my phone already there is MS Word, and just use keep for now. Okay, now here from the plus sign you just tap it. Okay, when you are just signing the plus sign, you all can see in the screen that all the templates which we used to see in the uh, Windows laptop or computer, these all will come over here. So you can just select anything. I'm not selecting anything, I'm just starting with the blank presentation. So here you just do no thanks or something like that. So here, this is my first presentation. Okay, means first slide, it will come like that. Now first of all, the name of the tabs here coming in a different way. How it is coming, I'm just going to show you from here. Okay, so here you can just see all the small icons in the below. Okay, so here from here, the one this sign, means exactly on your screen you can see that the right hand side one triangular red sign will come, or icon will come. Tap on that. From here you can just get all the tab name like this way: home, insert, draw. Yes, the draw option is very much new over here, because since this is a phone, the app is actually the Android version, so the draw option is very new in the Android phone only, or in the Android uh, Android tabs you can get this tab name. So it's insert. From insert, let's see that we have learned to add new slide. We can add new slides or not. Yes, we can add it. Again, just go to the design tab. We have learned to apply the many designs. Yes, from the themes we can also apply here many themes. Not every, but many themes we can just apply. Okay, so from format background we can format it accordingly. Okay, so I have just selected green. You can select other options also, like purple is also looks very good. Okay, so go to home tab, and here you can minimize it from this. Okay, in this in the Windows laptop or Windows computer, you can see that the options are coming on the left side. Okay, means the slides are coming on the left side, but here you can see the slides are coming like this. Okay, so yes, from here we can just see, and we can just we can tap, we can edit, we can insert some pictures over here from this. Okay, many things we can do, and also we can just save it. Okay, just how we are saving, save here. Since this is a Android phone or tablet, we are getting some extra features. The extra features is like that autosave is always keep it on, because sometimes in generally we are forgetting to save it. It will be saved after some days also. Okay, so this is a very good few features. Okay, now here we are just going to explore the next draw features, because it's very much new over here. So draw with mouse or touch is okay. So let's see that what is coming over here. So draw with touch, after that the color we have to select. Okay, now here I can just, you can see it's the Android phone, so here I can just write my name. It will look like that. Okay, if you are having writing pen and tablets along with your phone, you can just make your presentation more beautiful. Okay, so I'm just going to erase that. It's really not look so good, but yes, professionally many things you can do from here. Next, here we are just going to apply the transitions also. I have shown you here. Very few transitions we will get. Basically the options are very less, but yes, it's good. So I have just choose this one, apply to all. I have just done apply to all. Okay, so next, here from the slideshow we can just see from the beginning, and while we are just going to the slideshow, you can see it will come like that. Okay, so yes, this is the very basic and primitive tutorial for to use MS PowerPoint in the Android phone. If you like this, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.